Hello, my name is Martin Dominik, and I'm the president of the Network of Researchers on the Chemical Evolution of Life, or short, NoRCEL. NoRCEL aims to foster a truly global, inspirational community of original creative thinkers who are willing to engage in respectful discourse, while cutting across disciplinary confines, with the goal to explore new directions beyond well-trodden paths and to build collective endeavors for advancing the science of the emergence of life. A tool for guiding discussions is the NoRCEL GapMap, and you can get involved in shaping it. Its aim is nicely illustrated by the famous cartoon drawn by Sidney Harris. Our progress of understanding hinges on the point right in the middle. We need to be specific about our gaps of knowledge for advancing our understanding, rather than hoping for a miracle to occur. Everything else that we know doesn't give us a sufficient chain of evidence if there's one link missing. We need a concrete description of what we don't know, and we need to be clear and honest about it, not sweeping anything under the carpet, which I call an unreview, given that a review paper usually tries to present what we know, and we're pretty much turning around that approach. The NoRCEL GapMap, an unreview of universal biology, is to be a community effort, to which you are invited to contribute. As evolving document, the NoRCEL GapMap will also serve as a valuable instrument for fostering the NoRCEL community, by revealing shared interests and connections across a wide range of diverse expertise, while encouraging thinking beyond disciplinary confines. We readily accept that physics and chemistry should follow universal principles, but is life a fluke, or a direct consequence of such principles as well? On considering universal biology, the term universal might take one or more of at least three different meanings. Universal as in described by a few fundamental and general principles. Universal as in applying to more than a single instance. Or universal as in present throughout the universe. The job for you is to think about what you would consider a critical gap of knowledge, or an issue that we appear to be stuck on. Submitting your thoughts via our web form, please provide a concrete description so that it can serve as guide for a structured discussion. For example, "We don't know how life formed" would be too general, given that it does not permit to localize our gap of knowledge. Don't we understand what life is? Don't we know what it is made of? Or are we just missing a small detail in the process? So, please try to be specific and don't shy away from providing detail if this clarifies the point that you want to make, or briefly discuss what needs to be sorted in order to be able to make progress. Both statements and questions are welcome. If there are various gaps that spring to your mind, please feel free to submit multiple forms. Don't squeeze everything into one. It is valuable both to capture initial thoughts as well as deeper reflection that requires more time. Let's explore together.